Well, into every life a little rain must fall. I'm downtown Dumaguete, and today we've got an actual thunderstorm. Heard thunder. I don't hear that often lately. But I'm down here today. I'm going to go to the bank, pick up this coming month's expenses. So I thought, well, I'm standing here waiting. I might as well say hi. How are you? Some of you know, many of you know, I actually live about 15, 20 minutes west of here, heading up towards the mountains, the hills. As soon as I get into town today, though, it's like now it's the smell of home, the smell of downtown Dumaguete, becoming familiar. All kinds of banks here in Dumaguete. The one I'm looking for is the one I went to last month. Instead of taking out 10,000 pesos per transaction, took out 20,000. That's roughly $400. So I'm going to try it this time, though. I'm going to see if I can take 40,000 out, do it in one transaction. That way I save $5 plus for the charge on the ATM. Then I guess the bank probably throws on another charge. So I'm just trying to cut down on the amount I'm spending transaction. To be honest, I still don't know where everything is. I don't have everything memorized down here. So that's what I'm doing. I'll stand here. I'm going to wait until the rain dies down and go on about my business. Just hello, let you know where I'm at, what I'm doing. Have a good one. Talk to you later.